So I just got back from a trip and this was waiting for me here. I exactly know what it is because they've contacted me that they'll be sending it to me. And in this video we'll be unboxing the Realme 5i. But first, intro. What is up, geeks? This is Joseph of Davao Geek Hub, and this is the Realme 5i, which we'll be unboxing in this video. As you can see, the box is not sealed because this is a review unit sent to us by Realme Philippines. So disclaimer there. Let's check out the box first. You'll see the 5i right smack in the middle of the box with the Realme branding below. And at the side, we also have the Realme 5i, Realme 5i, and the Realme logo. Now at the back, you can see some quick specifications of the phone. We have 5000 milliamp massive battery. We also have a Snapdragon 665 AIE. If I'm not mistaken, this is the first smartphone to support this processor in this price range. We also have a ultra-wide quad camera setup and a 6.5-inch mini drop display. So I guess all that's left to do is open the box. Upon opening the box, we'll find a small box for the paperwork, I guess. Hey, welcome to Realme family. Thank you, Realme. And underneath that box is the Realme 5i itself, which we'll be setting aside for later. Next, we'll find the accessories beneath the unit. We have a micro USB cable. I'm not really surprised that it's not Type-C because this is a budget phone, and to make the price lower, Realme have to cut back on some features. So all we have is a Type-A micro USB. Next, we have the charger or the power brick. This doesn't have quick charger because, as I've said earlier, in order to lower the price, Realme has to cut back on some features. I think we'll find the SIM ejector tool in the small box, and let's embrace a new journey. Here it is. Set that aside for now. As you can see, there are no user guide or warranty card because this is a review unit sent to us by Realme Philippines. I believe there's also no free case inside because they have to lower the price and they've got to cut back on cases. That's a bit of a bummer, but I guess there's a lot of cases available online, so you might just want to check Lazada or Shopee. So let's check out the phone. We have the Realme 5i right here. Oh, and we have the aqua blue variant. There are two colors available, the forest green and the aqua blue, which we have here. And it has a dual nano SIM card with a separate micro SD card for external storage. Now the Realme 5i is about the same size as the Realme 5, I think. Here we have the 6.5-inch screen with a mini drop display. The phone also comes with a screen protector included. I don't know if you can see that on camera. At the back, we'll see the quad camera setup. We have the main shooter here, the ultra-wide, the portrait, and the macro lenses. We also get a fingerprint scanner here at the back and the Realme branding at the lower left. Now the back is not glossy, it has a wavy texture to it, which I personally like, but I don't think people like this sort of stuff. I find people to like the glossy ones better, but I like it. If you don't like it, you can always slap a case in the phone if you want, but I think it would be a waste because it would cover this sort of sun ray design feature, if you see that at the back. Anyway, you can find the power button at the right side of the phone and the volume buttons at the left side along with the SIM card tray. And at the bottom, you'll find the micro USB slot, the bottom pointing speakers, the headphone jack, and the noise cancelling mic. Now the rear camera is protruding. I don't really mind that when holding it in my hand or putting it in my pocket, but sometimes it gets scratched up when you put it down on the table, so I don't really like protruding cameras that much. So let's turn this baby on. Realme powered by Android. Oh yes, the 5i runs on Color OS 6.2 I think, which is based off on Android Pie. But Realme said that it will eventually get an Android 10 update in the near future, so watch out for that. Now the phone is still updating, so while we're waiting, you can check out the specifications of this phone right at the screen. Okay, so first impressions, the cameras look great, but I would still need to test it further. Maybe I'll take it on a photo ride tomorrow or the next day. The selfie cam is okay, I guess, but I think the Realme 5 and the 5 Pro's selfie cam is better because this is only 2 megapixels compared to the 8 megapixels of the Realme 5. I'm also gonna test on how this phone fares when gaming, so be sure to read my full review of the Realme 5i. I'll post the link of the review up here. So I guess that's about it for now. Like this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. This is Joseph. Bye.